Okay, you see my 144 by 3 watt upgrade to the new Diamond Series lenses. This is my 500 watt, 288 by 3 watt, twice the power, twice the chips, twice the draw. There's the chips. We're not going to be able to put them all on because they're closer than 1 inch. I don't think they'll fit, but I'll be able to put 144 lenses on them. So half of them will have the lenses. Here's my 600 watt Diamond Series panel. If you notice, there's 2 different types of lenses on there. All the white chips have different lenses than the colored chips. The par went from 400 on this light to 435. Same diodes as this light here, all Epistar and Bridgelux. All lights are basically Epistar and Bridgelux. No Cree chips unless you're gonna get a little aquarium light, pay up the yin-yang for it. Alright, so we removed the PC board and heat sinks from the front of the unit. Looks like it's the same exact thing. It's got a little room in there, about a ½ inch, so them lenses fit right in there. It works perfect. Easily upgraded other than putting them little lenses on. They're time consuming. Here's our 90-degree lenses and our 60-degree lenses. Alright, we're going to put a few on and see how they actually fit. So, as I suspected, their chips were too close together to get all the lenses on every chip. So every other chip is going to have a lens on it. And you'll see it. They're close together. You have to have 1 inch on center from the middle of the chips for them to work properly, or just over 1 inch. These look like they're just under 1 inch. So they're close, but no cigar. And I don't know how it's going to affect the par. Looks like the chip should go right in between them. I'm sure it's going to spread through some of that lens though. It'll be interesting to go up against the 144 at half the power that quadrupled it at 54 inches, I'm sorry. Okay, we have all the Diamond Series lenses on half the chips. You can see the other ones without the secondary lenses. They have lenses on them, but they're not the secondary ones. There's the PCB board, 280 to 8 chips in all. We had 88 at 54 inches on the power meter, the UMLs. We're going to see what it gets. Now, alright. We got 144 Diamond Series lenses on the 500 watt, which is as much as the 144 that we put on the other panel, so it should at least get the same par, I would imagine. Okay, a little recap from my previous video. 435 at 54 inches, the 144 by 3 watt with Diamond Series lenses on it. Now, I put the Diamond Series lenses on my 288 by 3 watt model. I could only get 144 on the diodes because they're too close together to get all the lenses on. This one draws twice as much watts, has twice as many diodes. Same exact diodes, same exact spectrum, same exact light. So we're going to compare it. 54 inches, let me get it hanging. Okay, we have the 288 by 3 with 144 lenses on the 288 diodes. There she's hanging. Oh, it did brighten it up. There's the par. Exactly the same as the 144 lenses with the diodes. So the diodes that didn't have the lenses are not reaching. The light's more spreading out, I would imagine, off the panel. All right, in the test originally, we got 436 at 24 inches. So let's see if we can find a sweet spot. Actually, this light's a little bit less. Twice the power that the other one has. This has twice the lenses and hitting a less power at 54 inches. All right, let's move it up to 24. Before it was only 436 at 24. Now it's hitting 13, almost 1400, 13 to 1400. All right, 1 foot away. 2600. So that shows you that the lenses are the key factor in these lights, because still at a foot away, it's 2500. Right under the light, maxes it out about 8 inches under it. This is the 500 watt one. Actually, now it's warmed up, it's drawing 486. 54 inches. I would buy the 144 with the lenses.